As you know, your shop floor is a dynamic, fast-paced environment, and it can be difficult to keep up with everything that's going on. Kajuscan's factory intelligence applications for visualization and analytics give you the information you need at your fingertips to stay on top of everything. Designed specifically for electronics manufacturing, Factory Intelligence contains a wealth of metrics and visualizations to give you a complete picture of your operation. Real-time dashboards give you an up-to-date snapshot of what's currently happening on your production floor. You can see at a glance the current status of all lines in your factory and which products and work orders are running where, and you can track progress to know when work orders will be completed. You can also drill through to get more detailed machine-level metrics for each line. This includes basic information like cycle times and board counts, as well as things like quality and defect information for inspection and test machines, and placement performance KPIs like CPH, mispick, and reject rates for placement machines. With KPIs updated every 30 seconds, you can easily stay current with everything that's happening and can react to issues immediately. To look back and analyze the past performance of your operation, the Analytics module provides pre-built queries of various metrics related to OEE, including for availability, performance, and quality. Comparison tools allow you to contrast performance between different time periods to see whether things are trending in the right direction. And drill-down dashboards let you perform increasingly granular analyses of quality and performance issues for help in identifying problem areas and determining root cause. For placement machines, you can view mispick and not place statistics at various levels of analysis, such as line, machine, component, feeder, head, spindle, and nozzle type. For inspection and test operations, you can view defect and false call statistics with the ability to drill down from product to component, defect code, reference designator, all the way down to the specific pin. Factory Intelligence lets you easily view dashboards from anywhere, whether you're in the factory, your home office, or even on the road. And its web-based interface means that you can view it on any device with a web browser, including PCs, tablets, and mobile phones, with built-in responsive display technology that automatically shows screens in the right size and layout for the device you're using. And if you'd like to customize your own dashboards and reports, Factory Intelligence's open architecture lets you connect directly to its analytics engine to access historical metrics, giving you the flexibility to use the data in other visualization and reporting applications. To try out Factory Intelligence in your own factory, fill in the form below to get a free 30-day trial license. Enter promo code FIPOWER to get started today.